MeghalayaPost.news.
Kumshimenta panamin sem bat banang penslor Ïaki Khun Samla pule jong kedong berkatan Western Riboy nakaliang ke NPP Jirang Block Komiti harangkan Jingialang dau MLA katan bases Nusatun ubalong ru kum Menteri Sarkar Kejala Pynkup burom Ïaki Khun Samla jong katan Western Riboy kibalapas bah bat kibalawan Syekmat hak eksamin SSLC jong sunem arjar pesan balakot dak Spah Ngut Samla nalor ketika Pynkup burom kilayo ru ban aikusnam ke bakar pang Syaka Samla safilia walang ke bawan balai napdeng kitop ten ke art stream Madia Kasamla riban si jamu nakatan Jirang kabalio ban mikmat nagari India haga jing lekai football bat syauba esman lendo umbala syakri ya kasnong kensir kum usardar hadu Arab santlik snem hak tesingi pendon burom ya Kasamla pule katan Western Riboy lawan ban sakilang dau MLA ke Jirang uba sesun setun balong ru menteri kesarkar kejela kakong mawa principal ke Patarkma Model Degree College SK Tiwari principal ke Jirang Government Higher Secondary School bak balwan simyong sekretari ke NPP Jirang Block Usamla Alfred Daloy dekot ke Felicitation Committee bak petalman tangkiu sar resnong Patarkma lembat kikmi kipa jong Kisamla pule.
Give me the strength and confidence to pursue my goals. To my fellow students, let us remember that this award is not just a recognition of individual achievement. It is a reminder that with hard work, determination, and the right support, we can overcome our challenge and reach our dreams. Once again, thank you to our MLA, our teachers, parents, and the young of our community for the encouragement and blessings. I promise to continue working hard to live up to your expectation and to do my best to contribute positively to society. Thank you to you all for this honor and being a part of this memorable occasion.
Nakinau, yung way ulu crowd, u President John Kerry Amerika, wa Abraham Lincoln. Ude wan na dalong yung nongsang beduk, upajo ude tang nong subjudi. But undan bisa mencikot ude yem, tenrei uhapan ya bun miles. Ngut Poi Sha jaga ban pule kon nam tharai ban ikhna jongi kini ikhna asul ki jongi lalekin hapan ya 1 kilometer na tharai kinumi le ban pule kon tenren u Abraham Lincoln bun mai wa hapan ya ikjat ban yo ban pule kon bat manawala kan mudur bau neu brio bawan na longi ngong sam beduk Ubongdan bisa mencit ikat Henry Long President Bekral John Kerry Amerika Lapi rit boy lapi tua Jar lapi libadiam Maong lapi melakot Syaga kendang bakanam Wating lalai bentur Naga dingga kesnam Henry boy tang ibu bersyukur Syaga clear lum John Kenam Nelson Mandela Uang Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. You can change the world, but nakibok, mapinong iklud ibanting siya. Nagunta katong katay, angtang ng katong katay. Henry nagunta kari bagay Henry. Yaka Spah, yaka Poi, yaka Jingialang, yaka Ksiar, yaka Rupa, jom pila abantu nagibre. Bantale ka percaya bersniu. Lada ibu ada sendok kapakanno kasep kapakanno Henry Ibrahim tidak nak bentuk ya kah awak ibu ya dia bisa ya kaum jongi mencari bank diskam mo dibalak bentuk Henry ya jadi start kapapipidan amdan balak bentuk lanu nama kata ai magana jadi start kapapidan pilong iklur kibat tension nagawai kapor syagawai pat kapor pilong kecintoi Nakam jaga hindu sen jompi, kikri kipa jompi, nakam jaga dongga time, but kari baca.
They have so many students. They are the bright students. That all these prize that you got today, the recognition. There are so many bright students in this area of the Patarkma. And when I joined this college, I was so happy that to see the environment of this Patarkma, the area, the paddy fields, the hills, and on the top of the hills, there lies the Patarkma Model Degree College. So I'm very proud of that, and I hope that when you pass out from here, you will support the college. It is a blessing that we get the college here in Patakma. It is a blessing for our youths. It is a blessing of all the students here in Patakma and the nearby areas of the Ringhoi district. So I hope that you are the torch bearer to your juniors, to your neighbors. You are the pride to your parents, to your teachers, to your school. And I hope that you will continue to work hard and reach the goal of your destination. It appears that you are not less, but you are capable and competent enough at par with the other students in the states, in the country, or you may be one day the future citizens of the country as a whole. You are still young and energetic, and you are enthusiastic in life, so push up yourself towards your destiny. Fresh and intellectual minds like yours are capable of achieving whatever you aim for.
Is to put on to the students who have successfully passed your SSLC examination. We want you to be the future of our area, to be the future of our state. That's why the felicitation committee, every year, we are organizing the felicitating program of all the pass out students. And it proves every year that many students have successfully succeed in every exams. Mementos, it's just a symbol. It's a sign of gratitude for your hard work. Henry Kabahmatan, Galay Mabhi, Babinstan, Yagalantia Kajunti, Kajoni Kajunti, the walk of the Norway. Galantia Kajunti, Galanday Kajingstan, Renta. Hangaba, Pinaganu Shipun, Ki Jinge, Pinaganu Shipun, kita ki ada jingim kejumpi, kapala nabi bakla banjir, kalaban dan spoil, ya karya kejumpi. Students, boys and girls, kali kasi kaba Pio Manilekmen nagtaging trace ng kejumpi. Ang kejumpi ng kejumpi. Kanong kejimentoy at kejingkemen. Kanong kejimentoy nagtaging but kejingkemen nagtaging kaye kesem kejumpi. Kenmau bagi kemik ipa kejumpi. Itrace ng nagtaging Hidon ni kinong hikay, kibagit kya ng tajambi, bagay yabi, bandikay yabi, Pynkup Sha katong. Barbor, pilibanong kibadon agor, kibadon burom, kejub kabamata, kejub kabamate, ado kata-kata, Bunsil kajumi kajian lalong hagisnong itaw, lagalong habidog-idog ipidhun, Jumi ke Jingialang baka Pynkup burom akhirnya ke juk ke pemerintah Kalaja Depan revive dia lalu berpenwantur dia kesong hanapi kesong hari baru iwe bagi dia bentuk dia ke Pynkup burom dan burom di pa di burom di kai nak bentar ke Enquiries ke Jingialang
MeghalayaPost.news